I, Oscar John Kihika, swear in the name of the Almighty God that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Republic of Uganda, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution. So help me God.
Chief Kihika brings to the judiciary 35 years of legal practice. Thank you so much, and congratulations, my Lord. To be seen. And my Lord, that is the Lady Justice Elizabeth Musoke.
So I really congratulate you, and I want to thank the Chief Justice for the passion he has put in making the judiciary effective. Because there is no doubt that an effective judiciary will make things much easier. But when I come for the conference of judges, if the time is well coordinated, I'll also take time and give you my views. Because you see, the issue of Uganda was the issue of somebody who collapsed, was unconscious, and had to be revived. Because this is what happened to your country, Uganda. I meet the CJ and the leadership of the judiciary. Then together we meet the Minister of Finance and the Speaker of Parliament. We all get together as the state, the whole state. The whole state. And we see what we do, because this is the same body. This is the same body utilizing the same quantity of blood. The British left us with something they called an economy of the 3 C's and 3 T's. That's what they used to call that economy. The 3 C's, it was coffee, copper, and cotton. Those were the 3 C's. The 3 T's were tobacco, tourism, and tea. So the small money economy, and that's what in the universities in the 1960s, we were calling those economies enclave economies. Economies which were like small islands. By 1986, when we came in, of the 3 C's, 2 had disappeared. Cotton had disappeared. Copper had disappeared. It was only coffee which was limping on. Of the 3 T's, tourism had disappeared completely. But there was no way you could have tourism in Uganda of those days. Then tea had shrunk. By 1971, the tea exported was 23 million kilograms. By the time we came in, it was 3 million kilograms. So tea had disappeared, tourism had disappeared. It was only tobacco which was still limping on. From 1986, we have aimed at 4 aims. Aim number 1 was what we were calling minimum recovery. Let's bring back the old small island. The small island of the 3 C's, 3 T's. Number two, let us expand it. Expand that small island after. And it came back fairly quickly. But thirdly, also diversify. Because those British and our people who took over after independence, we are stuck to that idea of cash crops. Number four, bringing a qualitative renewed economy. Economy based on knowledge. When you hear these groups like the Kira Motors, fabricating vehicles, the making vaccines, the pathogenic economy, that's now a new type of economy. No longer the other one of raw materials and so on.
We meet at a time when the relationship between the branches of government, namely the executive, the parliament, and the judiciary, has improved. In the 4 or so months that I've been in office, I've noted with great relief and pleasure that there is very little friction between the judiciary and the other co-equal branches of government. The independence of the judiciary can best be guaranteed if all of us, from the president and the executive, parliament, the judiciary, and lawyers like us, and even the general public, are fully committed to building and sustaining democratic institutions.
One, for giving the Supreme Court 3 new justices. Excellency, before the judiciary budget was enhanced, we had situations where a chief magistrate would take care of 4 to 5 magisterial areas. The increment in our budget, we massively recruited and doubled the number of chief magistrates. And this is evident, it is quite manifest from the performance at the magisterial area. The best performance in terms of case disposal is at the magisterial area, where because of the enhanced budget, we were able to recruit chief magistrates, we were able to recruit magistrates grade 1 at a much greater number than either 2, and the result in 1 calendar year alone speaks for itself.